Instead of fighting like we dismissed, maybe we just need another spliff. We just need to slow down, fuck another round. Cause it's like we both just been on set. Talking about nothing, you ain't got shit to say. Gotta just relax, been a long day. She said she agreed. She smiled and looked at me. She said, roll again.
And get the job done to pussy cloth.
I almost got my blue check thing. What you mean you almost got it? Niggas told you your shit pending? Niggas say your shit soon come in the mail. 3 to 5 business days. What you mean you almost got it? Nah, y'all are dumb funny on this live on today. I like the one where Z was Brethren. Nah, man.
Nah, lick us so we can get some more money.
But that is an 18-wheeler. You hit it. What you mean? You get us some fucking money? You don't got no fucking bread. He sell vegetables, nigga. I need what? I need.
He sell veggies.
Fuck, nigga, you don't got no fucking bread. He's struggling right now, nigga. That's why he doing whatever. Just throw himself into the next lane, nigga. He got nothing to live for. He broke.
Probably like 10.
We gonna sue that nigga and get our money in 7 years.
We getting that now. You're Capella Gray. And we on the way to a performance. Ah, it hurt. My neck and my back.
My neck. I'm like, what name? My tight spinal.
My spine.
Spinal. I broke my back. Spinal. Z, I don't. Yeah, Z. There's something wrong with Z. Yeah. He said, yeah, man, hit us. Lick us. Give me the money. Look at so wobbly. Look how we driving. Look. We had the joint. With the 2 hands on the vibe, at the top of the vibe. We touching pebbles. Any little bump. I disregarded Cat when I'm at go. I said, Cat who? I'm gonna know him. Oh shit. Oh shit. Get you a Genesis, ride or die. We was backstage at the at the Chicago joint. She was like, no. West Coast. Oh, chill. I was like, oh, you trying to take? She's like, that picture's cool, I guess. After you find Ghost.
Oh, word.
Oh, what? Oh.
Yeah.
Y'all be surprised, yo. We was in the UK. I'm on one side of the stage. I'm wilding. You know what I'm saying? What? I'm right before the fake like she asleep part. So I'm what? To go back to my what is lit here? This is fucking 30,000 people out there. It's about to be a movie outside. What nigga? UK go crazy. So you imagine like, and I regret it. I hear a commotion coming from behind me. I'm like, damn, is my hair causing this commotion? Damn, I'm gonna be swinging the vibe going crazy right now. Little young Tarzan, you heard? From the steer, my boy. I look back. That nigga Ghost is on backside of the stage. I showed her like,
Ghost.
I'm looking, I'm like, she trying. Now here goes. Yo, stop playing with niggas. The family, you heard? Nigga Ghost in the background like
Seducing bitches. Fire.
I said, oh, chill. Oh, chill.
Yeah, go
my fault, Ghost. Get the dipple. Yo, listen, everybody follow Ghost right now. Stop playing with him right now. Stop. Ghost. Hell yeah. All the ATF niggas, are you crazy? We pop out to certain places, they don't even care about me no more. They be like, where is Z? Z. Oh, Z, that's my favorite Z. So I be like, I'm on him right there, miss. Get right. Get right. Is it okay if you want, miss, suck his dick? You That's what you talking about. Get right. What? Cobra Bryant. Cobra Bean. Fourth quarter. Fuck is niggas talking about? Fuck is niggas talking about? Cobra Bean.
This nigga is fucking crazy.
I'm singing my heart out. I want she and G. Here it goes in the background.
Right now.
What's your number? Then he could cheat him. take his phone out. They bring back reality. I got you. I be like, yo, the nigga goes. Nah, he got it. I'm here for it, you heard. Stop playing with ghosts, you heard. Stop fucking playing with ghosts.
You said you had grabber?
Nobody got the grabber.
Yeah, we did.
I did got grabber.
There's a store right here that got it? That store got it?
I bought my packs. Here, hold this. This your pack.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Put one in Cap's bag so you never got to know what.
Yes, sir.
Yep. Put it right
Yep.
there.
I'll hold this roll.
My shit is gonna end up going to Shorty's.
Well, it's all good.
Absolutely. Facts. Yep. You always gotta have papers.
Oh, I got it.
No, I got it. No, miss, my love. You worry about it. Grab it right now. Here. Miss. I know you worry about that, miss. What you need? You need papers? That's what's stopping you from smoking right now? Nah, man, get high, miss. Here.
Get into your zen, just like you.
I see. He's going. You see, Z be going crazy. You see how I be telling? Z be going crazy, y'all. Z be going crazy.
You ain't hear nothing.
Z be going crazy. I be chilling. No funny shit.
Get in your zone to sex me. That's crazy too. That was crazy. I edited. That was PG-13.
What in the world, Z?
Get high to get me high.
All I said was, get high, my love.
Easy.
This nigga, he can't wait till we get canceled.
I'm never gonna get us canceled.
Yes, you are.
It's just gonna be Z. They're gonna be like, oh, that's just Z. Come on.
This nigga.
That's why I'm building it up like that. So when
I'm trying to say what I can touch your booty when you see. Wait, hold on, crap. This green light's being given out. What you saying, crap? It's a green light? Yes, baby, it's myself. Oh, hold on. Look at y'all being butchy money in the comments. Hello, can I join? What's going on? I can testify. Hello. Talking about. They getting real spicy in these comments. Hello. I won't be one of those greatest. Yo, shut up. You say that all day. Just being real, just being honest. That is a value, that is a promise.
Them niggas probably thinking like, yo, bro, you don't never sleep.
I don't be no.
I don't. I'm not even gonna lie. I be moving.
You're like, what's sleep?
I be moving around, man.
Zombies.
Shit. Dirk joint later.
I won't be one of those great.
Yo, it's that shit be hitting me at random times. And y'all know once the song is stuck in my head, hello, baby. You already know that shit is stuck forever.
I won't be one of the greatest.
Here's Shanice by I Need a Toe right now. We still come, my love.
I won't be one of the greatest. Always wanted to be famous. Just being real and just being honest. My haters will remain nameless.
And she had the, what you call it on, she had the real like chakra coconut oil.
I will be one of the greatest.
About Ford. Instagram. You take up your book from Manning.
We'll have to do your homework. It's Friday. So I'm looking at your book.
You know, pocket and them things there.
Where your pocket there?
Where your folder there?
Where your pocket? Where your folder?
Where?
Where your folder? Where your folder there? Your homework folder.
He's like, come on to the fridge. And that I got it. Yeah. Oh, they traumatized the comments. Hold on. My boy, y'all.
Niggas say, yo, now come on to my fridge. You pray for morning.
You pray for morning. You talk to Jesus.
Oh. Sky, you have some grabber for Cap? Perfect.
What they getting grabbing papers? Did somebody get a Henny?
Yeah, it was right here.
This any?
Yeah.
I'm crying.
What happened?
And
Look at
Hypno?
the ice cups.
Oh.
Whoa.
Not the Incredible Hulk day.
Incredible.
I feel like we need it. We got to balance out what happened yesterday. Yesterday, I was just so smacked.
Yo,
We have no motion device. I was smacked.
Yo, it was just straight weed.
I woke up still high.
I was on stage. I felt like I was floating. There was a part where Dream Doll was performing. I was looking at her. I was like, Miss, you fire. Give me a second. Then I heard the part. I said, oh, shit.
Oh,
We didn't go. I'm looking at Dream like, Miss, nah, man, you look good. Hold on. We didn't go. Chill. This nigga's driving mad fast.
I don't know.
Yeah, this shit just...
I'm about to park in
This shit made me want to... That pussy. That pussy. Meet the meat. She sucked it, come meet the meat. He's a genius. Nigga. He's a genius. I wish I came up with that. Confession, I knew you could go live since Monday. How you knew that? Nigga contacted Instagram directly. Said, this is an embarrassment to your entire establishment, your entire company. What do you mean Capella Gray is not able to go live? Have this whole shit shut down in a couple of days. I'm gonna get him. Of course, I'm gonna take very good pictures. Mind you, he gonna be on the mic, so they gonna snap a couple other way. You heard?
Ladies, look at your man. Now back to me. Now look at your man. Now back to me. The man your man could smell like.
Yo, late night with Liv. Where you live, Maryland or ATL?
She don't know.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
She don't know. She don't live nowhere. Now that's what my phone is. Cap, I just got that song out of my head. Shut the fuck up. Which song are you talking about? Are you talking about? I only one of the greatest. That is like all you got is like come on. You put up to Atlanta Carnival? I don't know why. You want to see me at Atlanta? We are.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, I couldn't build this with anticipation.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I said, why you want to see me here? Yes, we are. Yeah.
So I couldn't be like a I am so sorry.
Yo, this nigga is a lunatic.
Anything with Carnival, you know me, I'm so excited.
It's lit.
I can't even do it.
I just got off and want to come outside. Well, there's a brunch that's very lit.
Yeah.
I'm about to have that shit a movie. Then Lil Durk also has a concert today, bringing me out regular, schmegular. And then there's other shit. There's some shorty got a boat ride. What's her name? Anaya something. She got a boat ride. She said, "Come, bring the baddies." I said, "Oh." Now our service is being requested. Oh, chill. Well, you got another vibe today too? Yeah. Oh, my fault. Z got a double decker. So we doing this little brunch vibe, and then it's and then the you know what I'm saying? Make sure you outside. You heard? Don't cheat yourself. Treat yourself. We outside. We doing the Explorer. You heard?
Yo, y'all niggas feel like I got enough sleep?
Nah, but you know what I'm saying? The vibes, I'm still allured.
Nah, I can't be the only one.
That pussy. I'm terribly outside. Yeah, man. Yeah, bring the vibe with you. The Jaddy with you. Hello? Hello? A boat ride. It's windy, so then put on a coat. Big boring. Here, I want to add disclaimer. I feel a little nippy outside. I'm not sure if I could. Shut up, then. I ain't go home. Stay home. No, I'm joking, miss. Not shut up. I'm sorry. I don't want to bother you. Not shut up, miss. But, you know. Hold on. WAP don't make me feel you said, hey. Wait, where's WAP at? What's good? How'd you say hi to y'all not saying hi to me? Fuck out of here, WAP. Where you at? Hello? Good evening, good afternoon. How was your day? Since I gotta show extra love, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, WAP like that.
The Bible says turn the other cheek. You heard? When you get slapped, sometimes you just gotta turn the other cheek. They saying, you heard?
WAP is a baby.
You know what I'm saying? What Martin Luther King said, only light. No, darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can do that. I'll be the light, Jabum. Whatever. I'll be the light. Nah, whatever. Nah, I get it. That's what I gotta do. Maybe I have friends on this other live or whatever like that, but that's fine. I said, hey, Kev. Hi, wow. Light of my life. Sugarfoot. Love muffin. Hey, yo, Sash, Wagwan. How you feeling? Someone need a finger. Fuck out of here. Shining Emerald. And that shit has 2 N's, so your shit says Shinning Emerald, Jabum. You didn't even realize. Not Shinning Emerald. Wait, no, Shining has 2 N's? It only have 1?
Please don't put me on.
Nah, somebody fact check it, because now I'm about to get
It got 2 N's.
No, it don't. Shining?
It does?
No, it don't.
Okay. So Shine has 1, and then ING. There's not another one?
No, I'm saying. I'm talking about
saying?
NN. No, I'm saying NN instead of.
It is NN.
No, it's N then INNG.
Oh, you really?
Her shit say sinning. Stop playing with me, fucking Z. The shit say, look. The shit say, look. The shit says SHINNING.
Yeah, post that. That'll be pitted.
Yeah, man.
Pin
Her
it.
shit. Hold on. Fuck out of here.
Confuse me.
Nah, man.
Be a confusion.
Okay, you see, I heard Z trying to fuck out of here. It's still 1 N, even if it have 2. Y'all understand what I mean? Y'all are mad disgusting. I'm tired of y'all. y'all are mad disgusting. Yo.
She said, "WAP getting mad love." Oh, where my Canadian bum? Hi.
Yeah.
Canada.
Canada Deasley.
Easily. I like that. Canada.
Shining. Yeah, man. I know I'm not bugging. Fuck out of here. Once some shit is stuck in my head, hello, baby. Can't have me, baby. What y'all gonna say? Can't have me, baby. No. Hello, baby.
Hello, baby.
Hello, baby. Let's just been. We are mad late. Where's Joints?
Yo, Drake's called so bad just a little while ago.
Nah, call him.
Yeah. Where the fuck y'all niggas is at, right? I can't hear. Yeah. Now he don't fuck with me.
Why you unlocking the door? You gotta go up a little bit.
Yeah, we here.
Yeah. I'm like, what in the world?
Yeah.
Yo, look. I'm right here, Joyce.
I'm not even.
Now look, yo, you should see me. I'm speeding down this whole block, bro. It was crazy. I told Uber, I said, yo, slow down. We was going too fast. And then there was traffic. And then, you feel what I'm saying? A bird hit the windshield. Yeah, now you got it right here. All right, my brother.
Joyce don't even answer because he know we culprits.
Nah, I don't know what you talking about. You a culprit, nigga.
He know I'm the culprit. He know I'm the best.
Yo, what's good, Ghost? I told you I was on the way. I was right here the whole time. What you mean? I was right here. Wait, what's good, Bearded? What's good, Mike Wells? How y'all doing? What's good, guys? How you doing? Yo, I'm not gonna lie. What? What's good, Mike Moats? Hold on. What the fuck is the vibes? Yo, bro, what? Well, so you driving?
No,
You driving? Because I'm getting
what?
Yes.
All right. So why y'all not in there? So y'all just as late as me, nigga? Because we all getting in the vibe at the same time. Simple, nigga. No, you wasn't. No, you wasn't, nigga. No, you was not, nigga. No, I'm not even late. All right, so we out, nigga. How I'm late? Look, we all getting out of this car at the same time. No, I ain't getting no food. You know what I'm saying? I'm dying right now, nigga. Because I had to speed here. I had to rush here. Nah, we got some other shit.
Is that yacht party a real thing? Why y'all keep asking me that? Yes, it's a real thing. Go to the yacht party. We out on the yacht. On the yacht life.
Fuck is niggas talking about? We doing the most at the yacht party. Y'all better be, you know what I'm saying? I hope y'all not on no square timing. I hope y'all ready to turn up with the gang. You heard. You look so good. Thank you so much, Miss. I love how you type. You don't got a profile picture. Oh, no, there you go. Oh, there you got. Oh, with the booty out. My fault. X jasp and I gasp.
Yo, he's killing me with that. Yo, bro, I'm trying so hard. Hold on.
That is a promise. I always wanted to be famous. Not being real, you're just being honest.
She had the stance too. She had the real coconut oil stance. She said. She wasn't even looking to the camera. She said, off to the side of the vibe. Not even looking to the camera. You look to the side of the vibe. You know it's about to get dramatic in there. She said.
Being real, you're just being honest.
Yes, sir.
You got AirPods. You're late to the party. I have 14 AirPods, miss, but I keep losing them. So instead of all that, I'd rather just do this. And on top of that, too, the AirPods I feel like don't be loud enough. Feel me? Like, I be wanting to hear the song in my all the way in my cranium. Like, it should gotta be louder. They gotta make louder headphones. Like, put the car speaker right next to my earlobe. Like, I need to hear the person singing it in my soul. I'll be tight when the headphones don't be loud enough. I don't know why. Like, how do you lose AirPods? What you mean, how you lose AirPods? Those are the easiest things to lose. They're like earrings that just come out. It's like not having screwback earrings.
Like this whole live been hostile. And we hung in the same place for 20 minutes. Like I thought we were gonna hear some new music. All right, you about to hear some new music right now. Now I feel like I shouldn't even play no music. My laptop died. It's over for. All right, we about to get up. 2 seconds. No, look, I tried. That's my shit. I was dead ass about to play shit, but I'm not even gonna. All right, you know what it is? I'm gonna be transparent with y'all. No funny shit. I'm gonna be transparent. Say I don't think there's no funny shit going on. A, my laptop dead ass died, and the charge is kind of far. Second of all, though, yo, I'm not gonna lie. The mashed potatoes and all that. Like, so y'all want the truth, like. So you ain't say that. I didn't know my shit died until I went over there just now. You dweeb. You saw me walk over there. I just want to done me for no reason. They said go acapella. I got you right now. I said, you get the no right. I got you now. Fake like she is asleep. Switch tried to stay the whole week. I'm like, Miss Guana, your yard. Ask me a name. I swear I don't even fucking know. That's all I got, y'all. You ain't say a thing. I'm parked right now. You want me to go in the next room and the next room and the next room. Find this charger and walk back to this room. I got you right now. I can do it again though. We get my note. That's the note. Fake like she ain't sleep. Switchy trying to little poetry for you. Switchy trying to stay in the whole week. Gotta get the charger. Oh, y'all don't give a fuck about me, huh? See you lazy. Miss Guan on your yard. Miss, you don't live nowhere. Ask me a name as well. I'm gonna do that next time on stage.
You did do that one time. You don't live nowhere?
I did? Word?
Yes. Mad drunk with that.
I was drunk.
Yeah, you don't live nowhere? Oh, I was in tears. What the fuck this nigga just said? You've been really say Guan Ya. But you said
Oh yeah. Ooh, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm a little tired.
That's what I said.
I got shit to do today. Oh, chill. And I gotta go to the studio. And there's a battle today.
You're not making all of that.
I can make it.
Who got
I'm actually on the way. To go downstairs. Bowl. Everybody, let's go. He finna die. Ah. All right, y'all. I'm gonna charge my phone. I'm gonna be back. All right, girl.
I'm serious. I'm serious.